Hi everyone, welcome back to our new tutorial. Hope you guys are well. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can automate WhatsApp messages using just only 2 lines of Python code. And if you have a girlfriend or baby or whatever you call her, and if she is angry with you, then you have to impress her. Actually, we have to impress girls every day. Not every day, in her special days, I guess. Actually, it's true that you can forget your first name, but you can never forget her birthday. And you can forget your last name, but you can never forget her dog's name. And that's the reality. So guys, now I will show you how we can automate WhatsApp messages while we are sleeping. And using this process, we can actually set times whenever we want to send the message, and we can set this time. So now before we start, if you guys are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like this video and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about this video, you guys can comment below. So let's get started. First you have to open your favorite browser. Then in search bar you have to type PyWhatKit. That's it. And here is the first link you have to click. And here you can see that we have a module and we have to install this module in our computer. So now open your favorite code editor and then open a new project, or in the existing project you have to create a new file. So now click right and then new, and from here you have to select Python file. Now give a name whatever you want, but I will choose just main.py. That's it. Now open your terminal. And now we have to go to our browser, then copy this command from here, then go to our code editor and then paste it here, then type enter. Now it will take a few seconds for installing this module in our computer. So now here you can see that we have successfully installed our package in our computer. Now close this terminal, and here now as soon as we installed our module in our computer, now we have to import this module. So that's why it will be import. Then we have to type our module name, and this will be PyWhatKit. That's it. So after this one, now we have to initialize PyWhatKit. That's it. Then we have to give a dot, then send message. That's it. And here in this parameter we have to give 3 values. One is phone number, and the second one will be our message, and the third one will be our time. So that's why in this code first we have to give a number. And in my case, I am still single and I don't have anyone to write this kind of message. And if you are also a single like me, go directly to the comment box and let girls know that a Python programmer is still single. And maybe someday a beautiful girl replies your comments. Who knows? Now let's give a number here. Now you have to make sure you put your country code first. So after number, now we have to give a message. So in your case, you have to write happy birthday or whatever you want to send. Now in my case, I will just send hi, how are you? That's it. And then after this message, now we have to give a time in which time we want to send this message to this user or this person. And now I want to show you guys this process in real time. So that's why I will give a small time gap so that you guys can see this process. And here in my country you can see that it's now 1:11 a.m. So now first we have to give hour, then we have to give our minute. So here we have to give a time gap, and the time gap can be minimum 2 minutes. So here is now 11, and then now I will give 13. That's it. So now let's run this program. And here you can see that in 68 seconds our WhatsApp web will be opened, and then after 20 seconds our message will be sent. Now let's go to our browser. Now here we have to concentrate. Now it's 1:12 and our time limit was actually 1:13. We have 1 minute left, and this program should automatically open our WhatsApp web. So now let's see this program is working or not. So now here you can see that I didn't do anything. The WhatsApp web is now opened automatically. And here you can see that in my typing option, I have the message and I didn't write this message. They automatically write this message, and after 20 seconds they told that they will send this message to this person. And here you can see that they have sent this message after 20 seconds. And by following this process, you can send messages to a person automatically. And I hope you enjoyed these tricks. And if you do, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys have any question about this video, you guys can comment below. So that's it guys, let's see you in our next tutorial.